dear friend, do you sometimes get confused in sentences like this? I eat, I'm eaten. I have eaten, I had eaten. I would have eaten, I should have eaten. If you do, then this video is for you. A quick warning before we begin. In this video, everything will be in English. No translations, no explanations in other languages, just English all the way through. And hey, if you find this helpful, I'd really appreciate your support. Please subscribe, like the video, and maybe even click the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. We will be talking about perfect tenses, when they're used, why they're used, and what for. Perfect means completed. The perfect tense is used when a completed action is connected to a specific moment of time. Present perfect means the action has been completed right now. Past perfect means the action was completed at some specific time in the past. Future perfect means the action will be completed at some specific time in future. And let's start with present perfect. I have eaten lunch. Present perfect here creates direct connection with the moment of our speaking. And it means the lunch is finished, completed. My plates are empty, I'm done, okay? But what if we use simple past and say I ate lunch? In that case, there would be no connection to the present time. It's all in the past. It could even mean that I ate lunch yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, when do we need connection to the present moment? For example, in the situation when somebody is asking us, are you done? Are you finished with your lunch? The answer will be, yeah, I've just finished. I have just finished my lunch. Well, if somebody says, I have been to London, means that he visited London at some point of his life. If somebody says, I have been to London twice, that means that he was there twice at any time of his life. If somebody says, I have never been to London, means he never was there. Poor thing. In all these examples, the actions that took place in the past happened during all his life as a whole. All his life as a whole as one time unit, and so it's connected to the moment of speaking. But if we have a specific moment in the past, like I visited London in 2019, we should use simple past, not present perfect. Why? Because 2019 is all in the past. It has no connection to the present moment when we speak. Okay, now, in the phrase, I have lived here for 3 years, do we have connection to the present? Yes, we do. Because it means I'm still living here. It started in the past and is going on up to the moment of speaking. Now, what about the past perfect tense? When do we need to use that? The past perfect tense is used when we want to show that one action in the past happened before another action in the past. For example, by the time she arrived, he had left. First, he left. Later, she arrived. Why? Because she arrived is one level down into the past. He had left is 2 levels down into the past. Had left is 2 verbs in the past form. She was upset because she had failed the exam. Here, first she failed the exam. And after and because of that, she became upset. I had never seen snow before I moved to Canada. He said, I lost my keys. So what happened? He said he had lost his keys. Can we say here he has lost his keys? No. Why? Because he said directly points to an action in the past. And he lost his keys should precede it, not follow it. In this situation, it would make no sense. So this action happened before the simple past action. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be completed before a specific time or some event in future. By tomorrow evening, I will have finished the report. That means that by tomorrow evening, the report will be ready. By next week, they will have moved into their new house. The moving will be completed before next week. She will have graduated by the time you visit. Please notice that by the time you visit, the verb visit uses present tense, not future tense. When you arrive, I will have cleaned the kitchen. Here, cleaning happens first, arrival later. And in conclusion, perfect tense will always show connection to the present moment or to a specific time in the past or in the future. Remember, perfect tenses are not about when something happened, but what's already done by a certain point in time, present, past, or future. That's all for today, guys. All the best to you. See you next time.